Greetings from Monarch Networth Capital Limited. I am Shaukat Ali, AVP Research. In today's podcast, I am covering CCL Products India Limited as our investment idea. CCL Products India Limited is one of the largest producer of instant coffee for private labels. The company has manufacturing plants at strategic locations in coffee growing areas like India and Vietnam. It also has a granulation facility in Switzerland, which gives it an easy access to two prominent coffee consumer regions, i.e. Russia and Europe. Apart from its B2B prominence, CCL has recently ventured into the branded retail space through its own brands Continental, Malgudi and This, and reported stellar growth to carve out 5% market share in the growing domestic instant coffee market. CCL has over 250 private label clients spread across 90 countries. Drought in the CRI Arabica regions of Brazil and a recent lockdown in the Robusta growing regions, particularly Vietnam, has pushed the coffee prices higher over the last 2 quarters. With large green bean inventory accumulated at lower prices will boost its operating margin in the short run. The company's profitability will also expand on account of higher contribution from the value-added products like freeze-dried coffee, better utilization at its India plant, supply of small packs directly to the retail stores on behalf of B2B clients. Turnaround of its branded retail arm too will aid its profitability in the long run. CCL has highly diversified geographical mix of revenue. Europe, Russia, India and US accounts for 25%, 25%, 12% and 10% of revenue respectively. On the back of new client addition in US, shift of consumer from filter coffee to instant coffee and sustained high growth in its branded retail business, the company expects to double its sales volume from current 25,000 metric ton to over 50,000 metric ton over next 3 to 4 years. The company's robust ROIC profile and operating cash flow generation capacity offer significant headroom for valuation expansion. We initiate coverage on CCL Products India Limited with buy rating and a target price of rupees 496 based on TCF method, which is about 25% higher from the current levels. I am sure this brief analysis will help you in taking investment decision. I also recommend you to do some self-research or take experts' advice before you make investment. Neither me nor Monarch Networth Capital Limited hold any position in this stock. Thank you for your patient listening. Happy investing. Happy investing. Happy investing.